Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Jeep Cherokee key fob. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. This simple task can be completed in just a few minutes, restoring full functionality to your key fob. Let's get started and ensure your key fob is always ready for action. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually found on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this slot. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob casing should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Once open, you will see the internal components. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side faces upwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper contact. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Give the fob a quick squeeze to ensure it's fully closed. Now, it's time to test your newly re-energized key fob with your vehicle to confirm everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.